Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today we are going to be doing my weekly reset. I was in my planner last week, but I was rushing through it. As you can see, I don't have many stickers even on this page or the week before, and that's because I've been rushing as I have been setting up my planner, mainly because I've been just so busy with Vlogmas. But in this video, we are going to be setting it up for the week, and I'm going to be talking you through how I set up my planner for the week. Because I have so many planners within my system, a lot of times people will believe that it takes me a long time to set this up. But at the beginning of the week, I am only setting up really 3 planners. I will look at my weekly planner, my to-do planner, and my budget planner. Those are the only 3 that I will set up before a week begins. The other 2, my meetings planner and my faith planner, I am usually in those as the week is going on. So my meetings planner is the one that I use for the meetings that I have throughout the week. So I am writing down all of the meetings as they are occurring. And my faith planner, I am in that one daily as I am doing my Bible study and my scripture study. Now, hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. I'm gonna try and zoom you in as much as I can. It is a rainy day here in New Orleans, so it's pretty gloomy, which means my light from the window is not the best, but we are going to try and power through. I'll try and lighten up the video when I am editing as much as I possibly can. But we're going to start off with my weekly planner. My weekly planner is the weekly hourly planner that I use, and it goes from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. I also have the daily planner in here, but I use this one as the day is going on, and this one goes from 6 a.m. until 3 a.m. in the morning. But when I am setting up my week, I am just looking at all of my appointments, meetings, and any top to-dos that I have for a particular week. So we are going to flip over to a brand new week in my weekly hourly planner. I'm going to decorate using this Southern Farmhouse sticker book. This one is from Happy Planner. It is a pretty old sticker book. A majority of my sticker books are. But this is the one we are going to use for this upcoming week. I'm going to flip through it and see what stickers I could pull from here. The first thing though is I am going to add my dates. So we are going to start off with the 15th, I believe is tomorrow. Yes, and I love to use the Papermate Ink Joy 0.7 pen. I have been using this pen for years. I love the way it feels in my hand. It's like the perfect grip, and it's a gel pen, so it has been one of my favorites. Every time I switch, I end up coming back to this one. I just love it so much. I'm gonna start off with my sidebar. Ooh, is this sticker too big? I might cut. I think I'm gonna cut this one because I don't want it to overlap into my actual week. So I cut the edge here. That's good. And I am going to keep a running to-do list on my sidebar here. And this is going to be anything that kind of comes up during the week where I don't have a specific day or time that I need to complete it, but I know that I want to get it done. I actually don't think I like it here. I'm going to move it down a little bit just so I can have a little bit of space in between the sticker and my to-do list. Yeah. Now we are still in Vlogmas, which means that this upcoming week is still pretty much the same to-do list because I have been doing a lot of filming for you all, which means that I have to also do a lot of editing to schedule my posts throughout the week. So filming and editing are going to be my top 2 tasks every single day. I don't think I like this. I don't know why. I think I just don't like words, a lot of words on my stickers. For some reason, it feels like it clashes with my handwriting. So I think I'm going to find a floral sticker book because as much as I try and change it up, I always end up not liking it. So I found this Luxe Winter sticker book, and I know I have used a majority of the stickers out of here, but we are going to see what I can find. I can probably use these. I think I am just like a floral sticker type of person where I don't like the stickers when they have too many sayings, too many words on them. For some reason, it just feels like it clashes in my head and I don't like it. Yes, I like that better. So I'm gonna add some more of these stickers, and I don't need many. I don't have a lot of stickers on my spreads anyway. So I added just these 2 stickers. I think that's all I need, and we are going to add in everything else that's coming up for the week. I'm adding in a spot for breakfast where I can write down what I had for breakfast, what I ate for dinner, and my workouts for each day. Okay, so I think that this is it. We have added the things I need to do to my sidebar when I'm going to be filming, and some other things that I need to do for my parents this upcoming week. But this is the first half of the week. So now we are going to plan the other half of the week, the 18th through the 21st. And I'm gonna start by adding a couple of more of these floral stickers. Finished everything on my weekly hourly planner. And if you are wondering about home stuff like cleaning, that usually happens during this 6 a.m. hour where I have listed out my breakfast. So I will do my morning routine, which includes tidying up, doing the dishes, laundry, and eating. And so I don't mark all of those things down, but it all happens during these beginning hours. And usually where I will write out what exactly happened and if I did it is on my habit tracker. So I will list out all of the days of the week, and then I will mark down all of the things that I usually do within my AM routine, and I will check off if I actually did it on that day. So this is where I will look if I am wondering if I did my home or personal habits. So now that we are finished the schedule planner, we are going to flip over to my to-do planner. And for this one, I am just going to copy over the list of things that I have here on Sunday over to the brand new week, and that's basically going to be it for my setup, because with this planner I'm usually brain dumping. So I am writing down the different things that I need to do as they kind of happen and come up throughout the course of the week. Now I am going to add some preliminary things that happen every single week, but for everything else we are just going to leave some space so that I can write in more to-dos as they come up. So we're gonna just add in all of the videos that I am planning on posting so far for this week. I have been changing up exactly what posts on what day. Videos themselves have not changed. This is why I'm gonna write it on the sidebar instead of writing it on the days of the week, because I might change my mind on when I am going to post these. So I'm going to just write in just the things that I know are coming up, and then I will add more as the week is going on. But this is basically it. I don't like to add in too much because, like I said, I like to use this one for brain dumping, and so many times by the end of the week it will look more like this, where I have written all over the page and I'm just like more keeping track of the things that I have to do that are coming up, and it's one really long to-do list that I am checking off as I go. But this is how it's going to start off. As the week goes on, I will add more and more to it. As far as meetings, I do have 2 clients that I need to reach out to, but we do not have a meeting scheduled yet. So I don't have anything to put in this planner for the week, which is very rare for me, but it's the month of December, so that actually makes sense. And Christmas is around the corner. That's usually the only time where I won't have many meetings. And my faith planner, I write in that one as I go. And for my budget planner, we are going to add in here my paycheck budget for the week. Now this is another one that I haven't been using as much as I normally would. For the month of December, we have been just kind of flowing just because I have been so busy, but I am going to set it up for this upcoming week. So we have just added in all of the preliminary bills and things that I know are coming up this week, but I am going to finish filling this one out as it gets a little bit closer to my actual payday so that I can know that these numbers are accurate. The other things that I usually will fill out is my meal planner, but I always do this one with my husband, so I will do this one a little bit later today. And I also will fill out my habit tracker at the beginning of the week as well. But this is my planner for the week. I also will fill out a daily sheet if I feel like I just need it, I'm overwhelmed, or I just need to plan out my day more thoroughly. I will use this, but this is it for the upcoming week. I am going to pop back in my dividers. And we are ready and good to go. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and I hope that it is your weekly reminder to set up your planner. I will talk to you all in tomorrow's video, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.